Good day to one and all. Welcome back. And this is Kim JC Ensho. And today I bring to you problem number 5, an algebra problem. Write 75 cube minus 67 cube minus 8 cube divided by the product of 75, 67, and 8 as an integer or reduced fraction without the use of a calculator. If you wish, feel free to pause the video, give this problem a try, and if you are ready, continue playing the video, and let's see if you got it right. And I will divulge now the answer or the solution in 3, 2, and 1. So, if you have novice learners or novice problem solvers, so what they usually do is that they simplify each term in the numerator. So if you have this expression, they really do 75 cube. That's 75 times 75 times 75. And they do also the cube of 67. They do also the cube of 8. Then they manually simplify it to solve the problem. Let's say we do it the way they do the problem. So if you do manual computation, you could see that 75 cube or 75 times 75 times 75 is 421,875. 67 cube is 300,763. And 8 cube or 8 times 8 times 8 is 512. All over the product of 75 times 67 times 8. Also, in my case, I did not really multiply them. But again, these steps may be different from others. But what they do is manual computation. And if we simplify 75 cube minus 67 cube minus 8 cube by doing this, by simplifying this expression, you can verify with your calculators that you have 120,600 all over the product of 75, 67, and 8. With such, you could actually verify that 120,600 could be expressed as the product of 3, 75, 67, and 8. And if we could also see, we could check that 75, 67, and 8 are common factors of our numerator and denominator. And so by division, this becomes 1, 1, and this is also 1. And hence, the answer to this problem or to this exercise for others probably is 3. I hope you got 3 as the answer. And if you did, congratulations. However, this is good if you have plenty of time, if you have the luxury of time of doing this. And some probably does not have the patience to deal with large numbers. And this leads me to the next question, which is, but can you do this within 60 seconds? Is it possible to do this within a minute? Some of you would say, no, sir, this is impossible because cubing itself would take time and you are dealing with large numbers. But to those who are expert problem solvers, this is in fact doable, especially if you have a time limit of 60 seconds or a minute. And that is presented in our solution number 2. For solution number 2, let's say I will let x be equal to 67 and let y be equal to 8. And so from here, we could actually see that 75 could be expressed as 67 plus 8, or simply x plus y. That is why this 75 here is expressed as x plus y, and that 75 cube is x plus y quantity cube minus x cube minus y cube all over this 75, which is x plus y, times x times our y. That is substitution wise. And now, if you could see, we have here x plus y quantity cube. And if we are going to use our binomial theorem, you could check that x plus y quantity cube is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. And the rest were just copied. So we have minus x cubed minus y cubed all over x plus y times the quantity x times y as well. If you could check in our, if you could see in our numerator, we could see that x cubed minus x cubed becomes 0 and y cubed minus y cubed becomes 0. That's by combining like terms. And with such, we arrive to the expression 3x squared y plus 3xy squared all over the sum of x plus y multiplied by x and y. And if you could see in our numerator, we actually have a GCF of 3xy. So factoring out the GCF of 3xy, we have here 3x squared y divided by 3xy, that's x. So 3x squared, 3xy squared divided by 3xy gives us plus y here. That's why the numerator is factorable as 3xy times the quantity x plus y all over x plus y times x times y. If you could see, the x divided by x here becomes 1, y divided by y becomes 1, and the x plus y divided by x plus y is also 1. And what is left is 3. Hence, the value of this expression is 3. There are also possible solutions on doing this, but at least I was able to show you that using manual solving or using the solution number 2, we still arrive to the same correct answer, which is 3. So I hope you learned something from this video. And to end, let me quote, "If the world gives you 100 reasons to frown, show them that you have 1,000,000 reasons to smile." Because no one is free of problems. And as long as we live, there will always be challenges and problems along the way. But what is more important is we have that mindset, that positivity within us. And we hope and pray that as we have problems and as we continue to solve them, then we become better and we become stronger each day. With that, TYVM, thank you very much and a great day to one and all.